Hi, I'm Red. Welcome to the scrapyard. Uh, Not much to report today. I mean, just haven't really gotten much done. I've been kind of busy this week. Today I had to go and get take impressions to get teeth. I mean, the visit itself didn't take long, but it was about an hour and a half riding. um, anyway, well, this happened. Yeah, yeah. I woke up and all my hair was gone. No, just got tired of messing with it. It's always having hair in the drain. Not much. Like I said, not much got done last few days. I got the 34 Ford out of the purple pond. Redid the body work on it, and got it in the silver base right now. You can't see where I filled the tire well in. That's silver nail polish. But I think that's going to look all right. I'm going to use it as a base. Put it under some kind of candy color. It laid down all right. It looks a little rough, but it's the flake in it's real big. So a little wet sanding or coat of color over to even it, smooth it out. So all right, that's about all the progress I got. But I got more parts. This was pretty good, man. I think I paid $4 plus $8 shipping for it, and this is a parts kit. There's nothing in the box, but it's missing the chrome and the decals and the wheels out of it. But it's a decent box, so the box is the original 1975 box, and it does have the piece I was hoping for in it, the Tony Nancy figure. But the rest of it's just parts, dragster parts, man. You can always use dragster parts if you like drag racing stuff. But I'm actually looking for a set of decals for this. I have another Revel liner, Revel liner, however you want to say it. Um, and I'm kind of wanting to build one. But between the other one I got and this one, I should be able to build one. But I need a set of decals. So if anybody's got a set of decals, they can let go, cheap. Um, Hit me up. Well, anyway, that's about it for now. I've done just a little bit of painting on the Batera chassis. Not very much, It's kind of a pain in the butt, me having to work around and try to detail paint it. But I paint it for a little while and I get frustrated and I set it down. But it's going to look pretty good under there. It's going to make the little chopped tea look all right. Well, that's all I have for tonight. Y'all have a good start to your weekend. Anyway, I'll try to be back before Monday and with another little update. Anyway, y'all have a good night. Bye.